Whoa, pancake. Hello folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. All right, back on a regular Wednesday night race night. TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite. To do the first main race with this, I'm in the B main with the extra weight and the service diff. I had to dial in a couple things. After I did the service, my diff was too tight, my slipper was too loose, so I adjusted that. Now I've just been trying to drive it. I'm not entirely sure that I like that extra 20 grams in the rear. It tends to kind of waggle a bit. I feel like I've got a bit more traction, but then once it steps out, it also steps out more because you've got more weight dancing around back there. Anyway, let's see how we do in this race. Okay, let's go. Also new body, J Concepts body, and a new layout. Everything's new.
Need everyone marching. Still need a check-in from JK.
All right, racing from way over here.
All right, here we go to the green. All right, looking good. Nesbitt are leading us ahead. Got Joel in third here. Justin jumping fourth. Oh, we got Jay.
Was extra cautious there. Just trying not to hit anyone. So I moved up a spot. Whoop. Craig.
Right, guys, false start.
Oh, really?
False start.
Thank you. Dang it. That was a good start for me.
All right, so something's going on here with counting the first lap.
All right, restarting. We'll see if we have a cleaner or a worse first lap this time.
Less than 5 on the tone. Oh, Josh with a spin out. Jam jumped off the track. Brian's out in front right now. Looks like Joel's going to shoot on a couple here.
Whoa, pancake.
First. Yay. Lots of counting. Woohoo. That was 15 seconds from the bell. So yeah, 10 seconds is probably what I need to set up. Oh, we got Dan stuck in the pipe. Jim's on his roof. Come on, guys, keep your heads together. You're not going to win in one lap. All right, we got the Nesbits out front. Brian back, taking it serious.
See, I got dust on my tires and then
4.8 seconds behind the lead of Nesbit. Oh, looks like Josh made a mistake. Brian's way out front now. So we got a battle between Justin and JJ there. Got 1 minute down, 4 to go. All right, so we got Joel in second here.
that's what I mean about that extra weight. I'm not sure when I want to brake, it'll pendulum on me. That just shows that the inside line's quicker.
That's a nice line, nice and consistent. Joel does have our fastest lap. He's the only guy with the 22. Oh, Jack just got a 23. Everyone else has got a 24 and a 25 second lap time.
Oh, pipes grabbed me. Pipe snake got me.
On the move, if he can keep it all together.
After 1 minute 50 seconds, the top drivers are Brian Memphis in first place with a 14-lap 508.5 pace, followed by Pancake Logaki in second.
So remember, the red and white car is your leader. The red and white car is your leader.
Jack Memphis in first place with a 13-lap 511.2 pace.
Thank you. Red and white car is your leader. Second place car is the blue and white.
Second.
Drifting all over the place.
Fourth. Fifth. First.
Watch out, Jam. That's second place on you. Thank you.
Second.
Our leader is going down the straight now. He's taking off off. That's down. 2.5 down. 2.5 to go.
Go ahead. Let's go.
First and second are separated by 4.2 seconds.
Fourth.
Our leader is coming by the finish line now.
First.
Whoa, second place is in a front flip. Had no more patience. Just lost it. Went for it. Then went up.
Fifth.
Third place car is Jack. He's 3 seconds back.
Hold on, man.
2 minutes left.
Our Lewis just went by the line. 24-0. 1 minute.
So it's good when I drive real
The gap
cautious.
is now down to 6.9 seconds. Almost 7 seconds lead for Brian.
Whoa!
We got Jack in third, Jim in fourth, JK in fifth, Wesley in sixth, JF in seventh. A minute and a half to go.
I can't see it, but yeah,
Our
thanks.
Lewis coming by the finish line now.
First.
Another good lap, 24-7. We went 6.9, let's see if it is 0.5.
Fourth.
Oh, now it's 8.7. They got another second and a half. Almost 9-second lead now for Brian.
The top drivers are Brian Nesbitt in first place with a 13-lap 5:02.4 pace, followed by Pancake Logaki in second place with a 13-lap 5:15 pace, followed by Jack Nesbitt in fifth place with a 13-lap 5:16.3 pace. 1 minute left. Fifth. First.
All right, we got 55 seconds to go. So got Brian out front and Jack, Joel, Jim, JK, Wesley, and JF.
Fifth. 45 seconds left. First.
Well, our bump looks pretty safe right now with a 9.7-second lead. Second place is Jack Nesbitt. He's just going by the finish line now. 12 seconds behind Brian. The 12-second lead for Brian and 20 seconds to go.
Third.
Joel's still in third. Jim's in fourth. JK's in fifth. Wesley's in sixth. And JF's in seventh.
Left. First. Second.
All right, when you pass the line, you will be done.
This Pancake Logaki done with a 12-lap 5:02.9 result.
All right, I don't know if I moved up a position there at the last second or not.
Lap 5:06 flat result. Sixth, Jocelyn Cookie done with a
Well,
10-lap 5:07
that was a race.
flat result. First, Brian Nesbitt done with a 13-lap 5:08.4 result. Seventh, JF was done with a 9-lap 5:12.8 result.
Everyone's done. So Brian Nesbitt takes that and the bump into the air.
Somebody got passed right to last second.
Jigsaw. Green Machine. Brian Nesbitt.
Alrighty guys, that was two-wheel drive B main with the TLR 22 5.0 DC Elite. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. If you're new around here, subscribe. If you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.
For A lane. RTQ.